Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to review two tenses. So the first one is the simple past tense and the other one is the present perfect tense. So to start with, we should remember that the simple past is used to refer to an action that started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, I worked for a restaurant for 10 years. So this means that at some point in the past, I got another job and I left the restaurant. He was part of the company from 1997 to 2014. So this means that since 2014, this person doesn't work there anymore. Another example would be Michelle saved money until 2017. So this means that after this year, she hasn't saved any money. So regarding the present perfect tense, the most common use is that it is used to refer to unfinished actions that started in the past and continue to the present. And so you will find that the sentences that we have here are similar to the previous one, yes, but the meaning is different. I've worked for a restaurant for 10 years, so this means that I still work there. He has been part of the company since 1997, so this means that this person is still working in the company. Another example, since 2016, Michelle has saved a lot of money every year. So this means that year after year she saves money. She's still saving money. We can also use the present perfect tense to refer to a finished action in someone's life when this person is still alive. And we don't know or we do not say when the action happened. In this case, we are referring to a life experience. For example, her brother has been to Europe several times before. And so this means that the person is still alive and there are still chances for him to travel to Europe again. Regarding the simple past, the use is similar but the meaning is different because we use it to refer to an action, to a finished action in someone's life, but when the person is dead. For example, her grandmother went to Europe several times, so this means that she has died and therefore there are no more chances for her to travel to Europe again. Another use for the present perfect is to refer to a finished action with a present result. For example, I've lost a lot of weight since I started saving money. In this case, the result would be that she lost weight. The performance has been absolutely breathtaking. You've never seen anything like it. So this means that this person has seen the performance very recently. So therefore, there is a present result. Regarding the simple past, we can use it to refer to a finished action with no result in the present. Like for example, I lost a lot of weight during that year. I couldn't even go to restaurants. It was terrible. So nowadays, there's no result. Last night's performance was absolutely breathtaking. Remember that in order to make the comparison or to decide whether you should use the simple past or the present perfect, you need to bear in mind the different uses for each of the tenses. So go over your notes, go over the video and stop as many times as you need.